Working with strings in Python. Meet Maya and her robo-friend Momo. Today, they are going to learn about strings in Python, the special way computers handle text. Strings are everywhere, from messages on your phone to words on a website, and Python gives us amazing tools to work with them. In Python, a string is just text written inside quotes. You can use single quotes, double quotes, or even triple quotes for longer pieces like paragraphs. Think of strings as the way Python stores and works with written language. Every string has positions, called indexes. Python always starts counting from 0. For example, in the word Python, P is at position 0, Y is at 1, and so on. Using these positions, we can pick out a single character or slice out parts of the string. Python has built-in methods that change the case of text. .upper makes everything uppercase, .lower makes it lowercase, and .title capitalizes each word. These methods are super useful when formatting or cleaning messy text. Sometimes we need to break a string into pieces, like splitting a sentence into words. The .split method does exactly that. Later, we can use .join to put those words back together with spaces, commas, or any symbol we choose. Python helps us find parts of a string, replace words, or even count how often something appears. These tools make it easy to clean up text, fix errors, or search inside large documents. Python makes it easy to mix variables with text. F-strings are the modern and simplest way. F, hello, name. Another option is the .format method, which is helpful for more complex formatting. Both make your code cleaner and easier to read. Sometimes, strings need cleaning. The .strip method removes unwanted spaces. Validation methods like .isDigit check if a string is only numbers, and .isalpha checks if it's only letters. These are important for making sure user input is valid and ready for analysis. String methods aren't just for practice. They're used in real-world programs, validating forms on websites, cleaning data for analysis, formatting chatbot replies, and even processing entire books of text for AI. Strings are the backbone of communication in programming. Maya has learned that strings are everywhere, and Python makes working with them simple, powerful, and fun. With just a few commands, we can create, access, modify, format, and validate text. These skills are the foundation for handling data, building apps, and communicating with users. Maya is excited to keep practicing. With strings mastered, she's one step closer to becoming a real Python programmer.